for joining me back in my channel. I know what you're thinking. Raw vegan, raw lifestyle, baking. I don't know what I'm doing. This is all hard. Don't worry, I've been there before. I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest, simple, raw brownies, and they're gonna taste delicious. This brownie recipe is only 4 ingredients. You don't have to use the cacao nibs. They're just an extra add-on. Raw vegan brownies. Stay tuned. It's gonna be delicious and nutritious. This is a little teaser of what our finished product is going to look like. But first, let's go over the ingredients we need, and the amounts you'll need of each are about to be displayed on the screen. Cacao powder, walnuts, cacao nibs, medjool dates, vanilla extract. My dates were a little bit dry, so a tip you can do is you can actually just soak them in water for 20 minutes before you start using them. So the first thing we're going to do is take 1 cup of walnuts and add it to our food processor. Next, we're going to take 1 cup of medjool dates that have the pits removed. Personally, I buy mine with the pits and then just take them out. It's super simple. All you do is just boop, 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 boop. Grab your dates, take the pits out, and then do a little dance with it. Ooh, ooh. Once you have finished the dance of the dates and removed your pits, you'll have your 2nd cup of medjool dates, and you can go ahead and add that to the food processor. And now we're gonna start processing. Ooh, nice. Baking's fun, so have fun with it. Do a little dance. Grab some vanilla extract and a teaspoon measure. So now we are going to go ahead and add the vanilla in with your dates and your walnuts. To get our brownies nice and chocolatey, we are going to take 1 cup of cacao powder and add it to our food processor and do a little bit more processing. This is what the consistency will look like to make your brownies. This also means that our brownies are done. So I originally was using paper in my pan, but I just ended up using my hands and just taking the batter out and just putting it into a pan for the brownies. I also added cacao nibs on top for a little extra crunch. You can put your brownies in anything. I just ended up using this pan to make it easier for my brownies, but I also wanted brownie balls, so I just ended up using my hands to make these bad boys right here. This is a slow-mo of the brownie balls that I made. Yum! You can make these along with the brownies in the pan, and that's it! Super simple, super easy, raw vegan brownies. Y'all, don't let the word raw vegan scare you, I promise. This recipe is so easy to make. It'll take you less than 20 minutes, and you're using all raw ingredients. So bada bing, bada boom, you make it, it's done, it's delicious, it's nutritious. Sign me up, sign me up. Thank you so much for watching.